Hello lovely people! It's me Angel and thank you for watching my channel. Welcome to another brand new video, and for this video I'm gonna do a brow tutorial. Yes, it's a bushy brow tutorial, so I'm gonna show you my technique on how to do a bushy brow using a soap. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's do the base makeup, and I have here with me Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I did an unboxing and makeup review, guys. Go ahead, check it. And time for foundation, I have here with me Too Faced Born This Way. It has medium to full coverage foundation, and I'm on the light beige. Time for concealer, and I have here Tarte Shape Tape. This is a brow tutorial video for this time, and I'm gonna do first my eyeshadow, and I'll go for this Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions. Alright guys, I'm back with the eyeshadow, and we're gonna put later the falsies. So we'll go ahead for the bushy eyebrows. So here it is, I have the soap, and which I'm gonna show you a video of my soap practice. This is from Pears, and I got this only for $2 or 6 dirhams.
So ayan, natapos din yung kilay ko. I have a very bold brows, so please don't judge me yet. It's my first time to use this product, and I highly recommended this one. It's very cheap. You just have to practice on how to do it. This is my first time. Please don't judge. Okay. So very thick brows. Maybe I have to play around how to calm it down. So I'm very impressed. Kamukha ko na si Bakekang. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you entertained. Bye.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet it with this rose water from Nivea. Oh, just a little bit of spray, and I have here with me a disposable spoolie, and I'm gonna just rub it until I get the soap. And let's go ahead with the brows. First, you have to clean your brows. Remove the excess product like powder, foundation, or from the base makeup. Just remove it. And then we'll go ahead with the soap. So you just fill in the brows with the soap until it's thickened. Just just be careful because I'm practicing this a lot of times, and you just have to lightly brush the soap in it. Don't overdo it. So for me, I have a bushy brow already, so you just have to be careful not to overdo it, not to overspread it. I can see the difference now from this side and then here. So I'm done sculpting the soap in my brow. So I'm going ahead with this tart eyebrow. Now let's put on the eyebrow. So this is just kind of a natural look of an eyebrow. This is the trend right now. So I'm just filling in the gaps of my brows. You just have to lightly stroke the brush, not that much of a product, because what we're gonna do to achieve this bushy brow is it also looks like a natural brows. So I'll just diffuse the edges. So see the difference? I just adjusted the light so you can see the difference of the brows. So this is how I do my bushy brow. So far, this is my favorite brow. So that's how I created my bushy brow. You can always put concealer to clean it, but I prefer it like this so it looks like a natural brows. This is from Benefit, and I really love the brush of it, the spoolie. It's very thin. Before I discovered this soap brow, I was using this before, and this brow gel from Benefit. So guys, I'm gonna come back with my finished makeup and we'll see you later. Hey guys, I'm back with my makeup and it's done. That was my bushy brow tutorial using the soap, and here it is, my finished look. So far I'm enjoying Huda Beauty product. So this is the trend right now. If you want me to do a brow tutorials video, please comment down below. And you may tag me on Instagram, it's Angel Back Artistry, if you want to recreate this look, this bushy brow. It somewhat looks like a natural look of an eyebrow. Alright you guys, hope you enjoy watching my video, hope you came this far of the video, and see you in my next one. Bye!